Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams in the last 10 days. First, create a realistic study schedule for the upcoming 10 days, ensuring it's achievable. Next, identify your weakest subjects and dedicate more study time to them. Finally, gather all your necessary study materials, like notes and textbooks, and organize them efficiently so you can access everything quickly. This structured approach will maximize your limited time. Now, let's talk about effective study techniques. Actively recall information by quizzing yourself often. This strengthens memory retention. Try summarizing key concepts in your own words to truly grasp the material, rather than just rereading. Also, work through past exam papers to become familiar with the question styles and time constraints. These methods are far more effective than passive studying. Maintaining your well-being is crucial during this intense period. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to consolidate learning and reduce stress. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 10-15 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and keep your focus sharp. Also, stay well hydrated and eat nutritious meals to properly fuel your brain. For your final review, focus on high-yield topics and quickly go over your summarized notes. The night before the exam, pack all your essentials like pens, ID, and water to minimize morning stress. And speaking of preparation, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.